What's up, Photo Booth family? Your Uncle Drew, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the AI feature in LumaBooth, but also take normal photos just like you would before the AI. A lot of people aren't aware that you can do both. Some people think that you can just do AI, not the photo, and let's just go ahead and get this tutorial going. Step one is you have to go to the LumaBooth dashboard. So let's go ahead and do that, and let me show you how to enable it, and then show you what that looks like right here on the iPad. So you can see exactly how this works. You ready? Let's go. So here we go. We are now on the new dashboard for LumaBooth. If you don't know where to go, it is dash.lumabooth.com. So you either have to create your event. If you already have one and you're just looking to add that, you can go ahead and just click on your event. But remember, you'd have to create a new one if you don't have one. This is the one right here I want to use. Once you click there, you're going to go down to AI portraits, and then obviously add in whatever AI portraits you want to do. Right? And once you have them added, you just click this little button right here. It says add option to skip AI portraits. That's it. Okay, so now what you need to do is open up LumaBooth on your iPad. And if you don't know, there's the new logo here. So if you see the llama, there is no drama. Go ahead and click the LumaBooth logo, launch the event you want to do. And then now when you click photo, you will see that there is a skip AI portrait button under where it says select style. So let's just assume you don't want to use the AI. You want to go ahead and just use the regular way. You just put skip, and then it'll take the photo. And boom. So boom, there you go. Now you know how to skip the AI portrait, so you have the option to do both. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you soon.